Hi everybody, today talk about the problem of Filmora when your outbound video. The reason is not to register one the site or pay it, but the living condition require payment, free and fast follow the interpretation. Okay, so here we go. We will open the advanced mode. Now open Windows program. Let the registration process step by step follows. Here you will put your email and down will put the code. We will code within the link under the video. This is important setup. You must close the free Wi-Fi, the illusion of the company register. Now we'll show you a little category professionalism. I am joking.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way.
If you ask me, this whole debate is to you day. I hope that my by like and published so killer to benefit all. Bye my beloved, to another video.